Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord installation has failed. And if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So first, what you need to do is try downloading the Discord setup.exe file again. Okay, so this is suggested to double check that the issue isn't occurring because of a corrupted setup file. Click Download for Windows on the Discord website to obtain a new installer for the software. Then try installing Discord with a fresh setup wizard. So note that there's also an alternative Discord public test build or the PTB version available on the download page. You can try installing the PTB, which includes new experimental features as an alternative to the standard Discord client. And second, run the Windows troubleshooter for installing and uninstalling programs. The Microsoft program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter resolves issues blocking software installation by examining the registry. So running the troubleshooter could feasibly be a solution for the installation has failed error. You can download and open the program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter in the following steps. So here are the steps. First, navigate to the Program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter download web page. Click that page's Download Troubleshooter button, then select File Explorer's taskbar shortcut and bring up whatever directory contains the downloaded program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter file. Double-click Microsoft Program underscore install underscore and underscore uninstall that meta.diag to launch the troubleshooter and select Next to go to the first step. Click Installing to view a program list and select Discord if you can see that software on the list. If Discord isn't there, click the Not Listed option. And lastly, press Next again to start troubleshooting. Third, disable any background Discord processes. So I'll be showing you how to do this. But first, some users have said disabling Discord background processes can resolve the issue. If you've previously installed and used the software, there could be some related background Discord processes or services that need disabling. Okay, so let me just go ahead and show you on how to do this step. So first of all, what you need to do is to right-click on your task bar at the lower part of your screen and select Task Manager. Okay, and then here what you need to do is to find Discord. So there. So what you need to do is to right-click on Discord and select End Task. Okay, so do that in all of the Discord in this list or section. Okay, so there, let's just go ahead and check if there's still a Discord on my task manager. Okay, so as you can see, there's no Discord left on the task manager, so we can now proceed to the next step. So now for the next step, I'm going to show you on how to do this step, okay? So delete any leftover Discord data folders. But first, erasing leftover Discord data is one of the most widely confirmed resolutions for the installation has failed error, especially when combined with the third solution. So that's a potential fix more applicable to users who've previously installed Discord. If there are leftover Discord data folders on your PC, make sure you delete them, okay? So I'm going to show you on how to do it. So first of all, just go ahead and press the Start button on your keyboard and the letter R, okay? And then once you've done that, type %appdata%. Now click OK. Then now find Discord right here, right-click on it, and select Delete. Okay, and once you've done that, just go ahead and exit this tab. Again, press the Start key button and then R. Then type %local appdata %. Click on OK again. Find Discord and delete it. Okay, then now it will take a seconds before it will totally delete. Okay, so that is how you do it. So let's just go ahead and proceed with the next step. So once you've deleted any leftover Discord data folders, the next thing that you need to do is to run the Discord setup file as an administrator. Okay, so just go ahead and locate your Discord setup.exe file, then right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Then, install the Net Framework on Windows. So to do that, follow these steps. First, open this Microsoft.NET Framework page. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the description box. Then select Net Frameworks Download option. Bring up the directory containing the downloaded .nextfx45 underscore full underscore setup.exe file in Explorer. Double-click .NETFX45 full setup to open the Microsoft Net Framework 4.5 window. Lastly, click Continue if that option isn't grayed out. And for the last step, turn off antivirus utilities before installing Discord. Okay, so now what you need to do is to, oh wait, I'm sorry, it is not the last step, but it is not entirely unusual for antivirus utilities to cause third-party software installation issues. Antivirus apps are designed to block malware from installing, but can sometimes confuse legitimate third-party software packages to be something they aren't. So it is recommended users turn off antivirus shields before attempting to install Discord. If you've got third-party antivirus software installed, right-click its icon within the system tray to select an option for temporarily disabling the shield. You can also probably find a Disable Shield option within its Settings tab. And lastly, try installing Discord in safe mode. Some background third-party apps and drivers can also visibly generate Discord installation issues. So it is also possible something in the background other than antivirus software could be causing the installation has failed installation error on your PC. You can eliminate such a potential cause by installing Discord in the Windows Safe mode, which disables superfluous background apps and drivers. So there are numerous ways to enter safe mode in Windows. Select the Enable Safe Mode with Networking option on the Startup Settings menu. Then download Discord again and try installing it in safe mode. Okay, and those are the steps that you can follow in order to fix Discord installation has failed. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!